Let's say you got a older generator that runs great in the summertime, uh, really works very well, but when it comes down to it in the wintertime, you can't get it started. So most of these amazing pieces of machinery always work well when you don't need them to work. But this one did not want to start this winter. We had it running over the summertime, but now it's giving me problems. I took the spark plug out and it had no spark. So I ensured that the switch was on the correct position, and it still had no spark. So this is what I found was the issue. Now this is a Briggs & Stratton. You could easily see it says Briggs & Stratton right there. And this is an older generator. Newer generators probably work fine for a while. So this is what I found. There's only a few things with the generator that keep it from starting. I should say keep it from spark. This is one of them. This is an oil pressure sending switch right here. If there's no oil pressure in the motor, let's say when your oil is low, there won't be any pressure. That opens a circuit and you cannot start the generator. One of the other things I saw with this generator, I got it used, and even in the summertime it ran, but it sort of bogged every once in a while. It would stumble more than I thought it should. So what I did is, you can see there's a little nut right here. I loosened this nut, took this ring off, and believe it or not, started right up. So bad oil pressure switch. Not all of these generators have a pressure switch. Newer ones probably have some kind of pressure or a sensing device. Tecumseh has a float. This is again a Briggs & Stratton. I'm sure there's other manufacturers of engines out there with different switches, but they all sort of work the same. If there's no pressure or no oil, no spark. Okay, so you do want to make sure that, right here, that you do have oil. So if you don't have any oil, the switch is probably working correctly. So by all means, check the oil first. But this is what I found. So what I'm going to do, you can see it hanging in the upper right hand side of the screen, is take this ring lug here and tape the absolute bejesus out of it, tape it to itself so it can never touch that again. I probably will get a new switch for it at some time, but again, this is winter time when we need the generator. So this is when we actually want to have it working. In the summertime it worked flawlessly, but of course we didn't need the generator in the summertime. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have an issue like this, I hope it helps you out. Have a great day. Bye.